Hey you guys, welcome to another edition of Wild Eats. Today actually I'm just in my own garden because I do have some weeds growing that they popped up and I just let them grow because I knew they was edible. So I have some lamb's quarters in my yard and I'm gonna show y'all that, and I'm gonna harvest some of it and make a pesto out of it. Alright, so you guys, so this is lamb's quarters, and you can tell because of the leaf shape, and then on the underside and on the tops it looks like a silver shimmery. And this one has gotten large, so it might be a little bitter. You should kind of harvest it when it's young shoots, but I didn't because I didn't know what to do with it at first. I didn't want to eat it like spinach or greens because it could be bitter, which I never tasted it, but that's what it says. I'm gonna take some in the house and I'm gonna go ahead and make it in the pesto. So here we go. And I'm also going to use some of my basil because I don't want to just use all lamb's quarters because I never had it before, and if it's Nancy gonna be mad. So this is lettuce leaf basil. I'm gonna take some of that down because it's starting to flower too, so this is gonna start getting bitter also. So I need to go ahead and just harvest this. Okay, I put the lamb's quarters and the lettuce leaf basil in the Vitamix. It still got remnants from the jackfruit crab cakes that I made. So I'm gonna make a pesto to go on top, and that's what I'm gonna use this for. I'm gonna add some pine nuts. Gonna add some oil. I got avocado oil here. I got 2 small cloves of garlic, and I got some green onion. I put more green onion in there before, but I forgot to show you, so that's what I did just now. Got some pink Himalayan salt, and I think I'm gonna put some of this umami Boyfriend Joe seasoning. Alright you guys, here's my pesto that I made with my lamb's quarters. I'm gonna just put some of that on my bread. Okay you guys, that's what we got. Made some mini crab cakes. So we got some sliders here with my pesto. I didn't film this recipe, so oh well. Alright, here we go. It don't taste bitter or nothing. It tastes mostly pine nuts. That's a success. Alright y'all. Hope that was interesting. If you want to see more free wild edible plants you can pick outside, let me know. I'll do some more videos. Alright y'all. Be decent to yourself, then be decent to everybody else. Bye.